Welcome all to my channel. This is chapter number 2, biological classification, and we are discussing biology MCQ for NEET 2025. Now let's discuss the first question. Who was the first to attempt a more scientific basis of classification? The options are given. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Linnaeus was the first, right? Now the next question is, Aristotle classified plant and herb, shrubs and tree on the basis of. So the right answer is B, that is on the basis of morphological characters, right? He does this. Okay, so answer is B. Now, in how many groups did Aristotle divide the animals on the basis of presence and absence of RBC? The answer is definitely it is going to be B, that is 2, right? Now, two kingdom classification does not distinguish between. The answer is all of these, because if you go through, all the options are here valuable. Option D is correct. In which year Whittaker proposed the 5 kingdom classification? The answer is option number C. Option C is correct. That is 1969, right? That is the year that you have to remember. Now Whittaker's kingdoms are, that is options are, if you go through the options, all of these are correct. So option D is correct, right? Because it includes everything given here. Now question number 7. How many main criteria were used by Whittaker for classification? The answer is option D, that is 5 criteria taken by him, right, for the classification. Now if you read these questions, what are the criteria used by the Whittaker for classification? So if you go through the options, what is the correct combination that we have to find out? And the correct combination is combination number C, that is option C, all except 6 and 7. Now, in early classification, the followings are included in plant. The answer is option D. All of these is the correct answer. Option D. Question number 10. What is common to bacteria, mosses and fungus? So the correct answer is option B, presence of cell wall. Cell wall is actually present in all bacteria, mosses and fungus, correct? Let's move on to the next question. All prokaryotes groups are put under this kingdom. The answer is, it is A, Monera, right? Because Monera includes all prokaryotic organisms, you know that. Kingdom Protista contains, kingdom Protista means unicellular eukaryotic organisms, definitely. So the correct option is option C, unicellular eukaryotic organisms, because in Protista everyone is eukaryote, right? Chlamydomonas, chlorella, paramecium, amoeba are placed in which of the Whittaker's classification? That is the question. So answer is Protista. Protista is the group where everyone is included, right? Now phylogeny refers to option D, evolutionary relationship. Phylogeny means when we're going to find out the evolutionary relationship, evolution related relations. That is phylogeny, correct? Option. Now the next question. Kingdom Monera contains all the prokaryotes. You know that, I guess. So the answer is option A, that is bacteria, because bacteria is a prokaryotic organism, right? Most abundant microorganisms are, that is A, bacteria. Bacteria is the most abundant organisms which is actually present everywhere, right? It is invisible, but it is present everywhere. So the answer is A, bacteria. Question number 17. Which of the following is incorrect about bacteria? If you go through the options, the given statement, only one statement is correct. So, according to the given option, option B is correct. One only. Most extensive metabolism or metabolic diversity is found in. So the correct answer is option C, bacteria. It is a case where we got most extensive metabolic diversity. Correct? Now the next question. Most of the bacteria are heterotrophic. Right? They are heterotrophs. They depend on others for their food. That's why they are heterotrophs. Now the next question is, match the column. The column 1 and column 2, they have several words and we need to connect them. So if you go through the given option, the correct answer is option A, where A matches with 3, B matches with 1 and C matches with 2. Now 21. Archaebacteria can live in some of the most harsh habitat because of. So it is because of what? The answer is C, special cell wall structure. They have very resistant cell wall, right? Now, followings are present in gut of cows and buffalo and is responsible for the production of methane. And what is that? That is E. Now 23. Motile bacteria possess. So what they contains? They contains flagella. Bacteria are motile because they have flagella and flagella helps them to move. So the answer is option B, flagella. Which of the following statement is true about cyanobacteria? The correct answer is option B. It may be unicellular, colonial or filamentous. Because bacteria can exist in these three forms, right? All these three forms. Now the final questions, that is, this one is the final one. Specialized cell of nostoc and anabinophyx nitrogen are known as. That specialized cell is none other than heterocyst. Option B is correct. So if you like this video, if you like it, hit the like button.